That's me today. That's me again. This time, a year ago. I was a little put out because I hadn't fixed up a holiday. Then I saw this appeal and decided to have a go. For the first day or two, it wasn't easy. But very soon I got used to it. I began to get fit, to take an interest in the work, and to enjoy helping solve our food shortage. Yes, life was very satisfying. I'm going again this year and taking my friends. That's why I'm looking like this.